Let's go back to basics. We are painting a beautiful color wheel and we are going to do our 3 primary colors, and once we fill in our colors we are going to do a beautiful wreath with our 3 primary colors. So what are our 3 primary colors? We have red, blue, yellow. I've divided the page into half and then another half. So we have four parts of the page, which are further divided into every 1/4 of the page is again divided into 3 parts. So we have 3 plus 3, 6, and 6 on the other side. We have 12 shades. So we are going to start with yellow. We are dropping in our yellow, and just see that you have your red, yellow and blue on your palette so you can start. So our red and yellow has given us a beautiful orange, and now that we want more red and less of orange, in our red/orange we are going to use red, and the orange we had already made, we are just going to drop in some more red in that, and we get this beautiful tone and beautiful hue of red orange. And obviously when we want pure red, we are going to drop in pure red, and that's it. We have a beautiful red there, and now we want red violet. So for red violet, what do? We just drop in a little blue in our red and we get red violet. And for pure violet, we will definitely use equal amounts of red and equal amounts of blue, and we'll get a beautiful striking violet, strong shade. And blue violet we'll put in that very color, we'll put in more blues. We'll add in more blues and we will get a blue violet in the violet that we have already created with red and blue. In blue violet we'll have more of blue, and then we go on and drop in our pure blues. Oh, that's a pure blue. It's a beautiful hue. That's a pure blue. And then we go on to create a blue green, equal amounts of blue, and the yellow we had, we mix up a blue and yellow and create a blue green, equal amounts. And then we use more of, now the color which we have already created as green, we'll just drop in a little more yellow and a little more blue, and we get this beautiful shade of green. The darker you want it, the more blue you put. The lighter you want it, the more yellow you put. And in the yellow green, we'll have more of yellow. In the green we have already created, and our color wheel is ready. We'll just write down and mark the colors that we have made. That's yellow green, that's yellow, that's red orange, yellow orange, yellow orange, then orange, then red orange, then pure red. Please make a color wheel and keep it on your table when you're painting. It makes your painting so very easy, and you'll know exactly what shades. And always start your painting as a beginner. You must have your color wheel in front of you, and you must try to stick with the restricted palette of your primary colors, and then you can go on to use your warm and lighter hues, warm hues and the cool hues. The warm colors over here will be oranges, reds, yellows, and the cooler colors will be greens and blues and blue violets and violets. So accordingly you can create beautiful paintings. So that's something we must have, a color wheel on a table, our primary colors, and we have created such beautiful hues out of our primary shades of red, blue and yellow. Do make a color wheel, do subscribe, do like, do tell me what you'd like to see. This is just going back to the basics. I hope you enjoyed this and do follow this. Keep a color wheel.